going.
I hope it broke it. Don't get out. Don't get out. Can you go on another foot or two?
All right, riverboat captain.
Get the video's going, because if I fall,
Yeah,
We got it.
we got it.
I want a copy.
Oh, you just dug up a stick.
I'm gonna go again.
Tim, next time put it in 4-wheel drive.
Are you on the gas?
Give it along.
I don't think Tim wants to go this one again.
You're moving them every time. Eventually, you've got to hit high ground.
No, he's gonna hit the hole at the bottom. He's not even there yet.
Lifting.
Yeah, but every bit he moves, he just digs right back in.
Yeah. That whole side's down.
Hold on. You want to get another truck or winch him? Because he's sitting on a frame on all fours.